Join me as I dive deep into the mystery of heart palpitations and try to uncover what really causes them. Heart palpitations can be really unsettling. They are those moments when your heart suddenly skips a beat or beats irregularly, and it can feel like a pounding in your chest. For many of us, it's a sensation that can cause a lot of worry, especially if we're not sure what's causing it. The anxiety that comes with heart palpitations can be overwhelming. You might find yourself constantly wondering if it's a sign of something serious, like a heart attack or a problem with your heart's rhythm. And that worry can lead to even more palpitations, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. So, it's no surprise that people often jump to worst-case scenarios when they feel their hearts skipping beats. But the truth is, in most cases, heart palpitations are not a sign of a life-threatening condition. Yet, there are times when they can be a symptom of an underlying issue that needs medical attention. For instance, if you're experiencing persistent or severe palpitations, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any potential health problems. The relationship between heart palpitations and anxiety is particularly interesting. When we're stressed or anxious, our body's fight or flight response kicks in, releasing stress hormones like adrenaline. These hormones can affect our heart rate and lead to palpitations. So, it's clear that our emotional state can play a significant role in how our heart behaves. This connection between emotional health and heart palpitations is often overlooked but is crucial for understanding what really causes them. Let's talk about what actually causes heart palpitations. Lifestyle factors like lack of sleep, dehydration, or a diet high in sugar and caffeine can contribute to them. Stress and anxiety, as we just discussed, are also major players. But sometimes, heart palpitations can be a side effect of certain medical conditions or even medications. And yes, substances like caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol can also trigger them. One of the most surprising facts about heart palpitations is how closely they're linked to our emotional well-being. It's not just about physical heart problems. Our mental health can have a direct impact on our heart rhythm. For example, people with anxiety disorders are more likely to experience palpitations. So, addressing emotional health is just as important as looking at physical causes. To manage heart palpitations, it's essential to look at the whole picture, both physical and emotional health. Simple changes like reducing caffeine intake, practicing stress-reducing techniques, and getting regular exercise can make a big difference. And if you're concerned about your heart health, always consult with a healthcare professional. In summary, heart palpitations can be alarming, but they're often harmless and manageable. By understanding the various causes and taking steps to address them, you can reduce their occurrence and alleviate your worries. If you've experienced heart palpitations, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about heart health, be sure to check out my video on 10 foods that can help lower your blood pressure for more tips and insights.